At the aluminum plant, Mr. Johnson wants to learn about the manufacturing processes for aluminum components, so he visited the factory to observe its operations. Good morning, Mr. Nguyen. Thank you for showing me around your factory today.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. It's my pleasure to have you here.
I'm interested in learning more about your manufacturing processes. Could you walk me through how you produce your fabricated aluminum components?
Absolutely, Mr. Johnson. Our manufacturing process involves precision machining and quality control measures to ensure efficiency and high-quality output.
That's great to hear. Safety is a priority for us. Can you tell me about your factory's safety record and how you ensure a secure working environment?
Of course, safety is paramount here. We strictly adhere to international safety standards, conduct regular training programs, and maintain a robust safety record.
Timely delivery is crucial for our operations. How reliable has your factory been with on-time deliveries to the U.S.?
We've maintained a strong track record in meeting deadlines. Our commitment to on-time deliveries is a cornerstone of our operations.
I'm curious about tariffs. Can you provide insights into the tariffs imposed on goods shipped from Vietnam to the U.S.? How might this impact your pricing and competitiveness?
Tariffs are a consideration. However, we work to mitigate their impact by optimizing our processes to remain competitive in the U.S. market.
Lastly, transit costs are a significant factor in our evaluation. What are the transit costs involved in shipping aluminum components from Vietnam to the U.S.?
Our logistics team has worked on cost-effective shipping solutions. I can provide detailed cost breakdowns and efficiencies in our transit arrangements.
I appreciate your thorough explanations, Mr. Nguyen. Your commitment to quality, safety, and efficiency is reassuring. This visit has been enlightening.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. We're dedicated to fostering strong partnerships and delivering excellence in our operations.